Hello everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to the next video of DCPing series. In this series, we are going to cover the terms like endorse, CDC, SID, whatever the documents you needed or certificates you needed as a seafarer, we are going to cover in this series only. So be with this series and get updated. So in this video, we are going to cover CDC, Continuous Discharge Certificate. So in this video we are going to know about what is CDC, who is the issuing authority, what are the documents needed and the full procedure for applying CDC. So let's move ahead. So first, what is CDC? CDC is a seafarer's identity document issued by his or her country. Like if you having Indian CDC, means you are an Indian seafarer. It is issued by Directorate General of Shipping, India. CDC is like a passport in shipping. If you are posing Indian passport, it means you are an Indian citizen. So like if you having Indian CDC, it means you are an Indian seafarer. Without CDC, you cannot work on merchant navy vessel. It is for sure. And CDC once issued is valid for 10 years. Means it is issued in 2022. That it means that it will be valid till 2032. So let's move ahead. Who can apply for CDC? So the candidate who has passed class 10 from a recognized board or university by their government, they are eligible for applying CDC. Candidates should hold a passport. Candidates should have completed the basic 5 STCW courses, which is EFA, FPFF, PSSR, PST and with along STSD safety course from a DGCPing approved training center, which is DGCPing approved MTI. Who will tell DGCPing which college is approved by DGCPing? We will tell in this series only. The candidate should submit a medical fitness certificate issued by Directorate General, approved by Directorate General of Shipping and approved doctor. So let's move ahead. What are the documents should upload for applying Indian CDC? You should have to upload some documents. So this full form is this for applying CDC is totally online. So you have to upload the documents here. So which are the documents? So scan copy of signed online application. So you have to fill one online application form for CDC. So you have to take print out first, then you have to give your signature there. You have to declare that yeah, everything is filled correct earlier. So you have to fill that and you have to give your signature, then you have to upload it here. Then after passport size photo, they have given some criteria that 3.5 cm into 3.5 cm length and face covering should be 70% of that photo and white background. Then after scan signature of seafarer. Then after color scan copy of original passport. Passport means first page and second page where they have mentioned your photo and all the details, and then after last page, that is your address column, and then the first page where they have mentioned this thing. Authority or passport authority are displayed. That thing you have to scan, copy, upload here. Then after color scan copy of original 10th pass certificate, marksheet, your marksheet class 10 certificate marksheet. Then after color scanned of original medical certificate, which is given by approved doctor. Then after colored scan copy of original and permanent address proof. Your passport is enough. Any one of them, passport, Aadhaar card, election photo ID card or permanent driving license. So generally we are uploading passport only. So let's move ahead. Procedure for generating Indian CDC. Till end, be with this video. We are going to define you every step, each and every step, and please carefully follow this. Okay. So you have to visit www.dgshipping.gov.in. Then after you will get this interface where all the portal is mentioned: home, about us, act and rules, shipping notice, shipping, seafarers, maritime training, e-governance, e-learning, exit exam. All the portals we are going to define you here in this series only. So be with this series. So you have to click on e-governance for generating this document. So you have to click on e-governance. Then after you will get interface like this. Here you have to give your endorse number and your password and get login here. You are seeing here 3 boxes is here. One ship, seafarer and independent mistakes and something is there. Then you have to click here on CDC management and COC as a cook on the second box. You are seeing here. You have to click on that. Then you will find this box. Like this interface will come. Here you are getting 2 options, others and CDC application, renewal CDC, duplicate CDC. So you have to click on fresh CDC application form. Then you have to read all the instructions first. Carefully please read it. then only move further ahead. So I am not going to define you all the instructions, so you have to just basic one it is, that's why we are not going to cover this thing here. Then you have to click on proceed or next. Then after you will find, then after you have to fill all the application forms. Carefully please fill all the details whatever they are needed. Asterisk marks, they have put asterisk marks also there, so you have to fill it very carefully. Please give the needful information there which are going to publish, and please fill your address carefully, because on that address only they are going to send your CDC. So let's move ahead. After filling the form, you have to click on others on the same CDC. As I already told you, you have to get login. Then after you have to go on second box. They having on second option, they have mentioned CDC and management as cook. Then you have to click on others. Then after this option will come, pay fees, upload documents and view application status. So we have to view, we have already submitted our application, so we have to view application status. So we will click here. Then after this box will come, then view submit data, click on view. And then after your application form will come, you have to take printout, and at last you have to take out the application form which you have already filled. On the last column of the application form, you will get one declaration column. That is, I hereby declare that all statements made in the application are true and complete to the best of my knowledge and belief, and nothing has to be consolidated or distorted. So you have to give your signature, which should be matched by your passport signature, your place. That's it. Then after, take a scan copy of that and please upload here. We have to upload it again. So scan copy of signed online application we have to upload. Then you have to passports. You should have passport size photograph, as I already mentioned. What will be the criteria? You have to upload here. Then after, scan signature of seafarer, which should be matched with Indian passport, whatever you have given on passport signature. Same. Color scan copy of original passport. 3 pages I told you. 10th mark sheet. Then after, original mark sheet, original medical fitness certificate, you have to take a scan and just upload it. Original permanent address proof. Then after, here the file is uploaded. Then you are able to click to view. Otherwise, the option is coming to uploading it. Then the date is also mentioned here. Upload all the documents. Then after, move ahead. Then you have to pay the fee. So pay for Indian CDC is about 700 rupees. On the same interface of application status tab, you will get fee section where you have to pay e-payment, where you have to pay the fee through e-payment method through your UPI ID. So you have to pay 700 rupees. Service charge for CDC application form is 700 inclusive of all tax. So this will be done by your MTA only, but if not, then we are telling, or for open CDC people, we are guiding through this video. So let's move ahead. After paying the fee, you can check your application status on the other tab, just next to fee tab only. Pay fee, upload document and view application status on the same thing. First you have to get login on e-governance portal. Then you have to go through the second box. On the second option only they have given CDC and management as cook. Click on that. Then you have to click on upload documents and view application status. If the application is approved, then you will get your CDC within 15 days at your mentioned address. If not approved, then they will tell you what's the documents they are asking for, what the documents is not properly uploaded, and please upload it in color detail. Okay, then only they will get verified as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. If you want more information like this, you need to visit our official website www.merchantnavydecoded.com, and you need to click here on the first link itself. When you click this, you will find this type of interface. You have to go through course section. Here for beginner, for professional, you need to go through for professional. Here we kept our day shipping series. So you need to go through our free courses. We have kept it in for free only. So go through free courses, and there are lot of free courses is there. GP rating to UK COC, second mate, exam guidance, DE shipping, and more going to come. So be with this series, free series in professional. You found DE shipping series, our series. Just go through that and get information like this. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. If you are having any query, go through our Ask Your Query portal. Tap on this button. WhatsApp button. You'll get the WhatsApp number there itself, and just put your query. We solve your query. Much and every Decoded will always be with you. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. We'll meet you in the next video.